The new MBA program will give you the executive business skills you need for management positions. It is a full-time, one-year program available at our campuses in Munich, in Geneva, and on the digital campus as well.
Our hands-on learning approach, which includes company visits, board-level consultancy projects, and immersive business activities, effectively bridges theory and practice.
Another major hands-on experience that has really helped me was the company visits that the school provides. Going there, really interacting with people from the company, getting insights and knowing more deeper about the company, it really expanded my knowledge, and it's really such a beautiful experience.
You will build expertise and gain highly applicable skills through our innovative labs on business data tools, entrepreneurship, and project management. You can join your peers from all campuses for MBA Global Connect Days. This high-impact 3-day event features pitch competitions, alumni talks, corporate visits, and expert panels. And you'll interact with global business leaders at our flagship Learning from Leaders conferences, who give you valuable insights into how top companies operate.
You will learn from a faculty of academics, entrepreneurs, and business leaders who bring real-world experience to the classroom. Our small cohort size means you'll benefit from personalized guidance and individual support.
All our lecturers are industry experts who have real-world experience, and they bring us many different cases from even sometimes their work, their past experiences, and we get to ask them many questions and connect with them on LinkedIn, which also helps us as a student to grow our network.
And you will be part of a diverse community of over 130 nationalities, so you can grow your international network and gain the global mindset essential for modern business.
You have people from different countries with different backgrounds, and it helps you create this environment of learning where you have so many other people giving in their experience, and it makes everything much richer.
Our Career Services Department is dedicated to helping you make your professional ambitions a reality. From one-to-one coaching to exclusive networking events and career fairs, our Career Services team will give you the tools and connections to succeed.
Another really important opportunity that EU Business School provides is the Career Day. Well, this is a particular day where they organize a meetup with different companies and different organizations where you can meet them all in one place, exchange profiles, give your CV, and possibly even get hired too.
After graduation, you become part of our global alumni community, offering you lifelong connections, mentorship, and professional opportunities that will shape your career.
This program will give you the skills, confidence, and international network you need to accelerate your business career and achieve your professional goals. So if you want to study with ambitious professionals from all over the world, collaborate and grow together, come and join us.